Hey viewers, welcome to this video on Git and GitHub, where we are learning version controlling. Following the previous videos, we have seen how we can configure, or you can say, how we can merge two branches using git merge command. So now we are stepping ahead in Git. In today's video, we'll see about conflicts. We'll explore what are conflicts, we'll see why they occur and what are the ways to resolve them using Git as well as GitHub. So let's start today's video without wasting much time. So for the new viewers who are like first time on our channel, so just align with today's topic, I would like to tell them that in a previous video we have demonstrated the merging of two branches like using the git merge command. If you haven't watched that video yet, then link of that video is in the description box, or you can click on the I button. Also, I have pinned the link of the playlist for the Git and GitHub videos that we are posting on our channel. So that is also in the description box. In addition to that, there are lots of resources in there. Just check that out. Also, our website, Video Geeks, the link of that website is also in the description box. You can check that website out for more resources. Now, if you are new to this video, then consider subscribing to my channel for more such videos. It's free for you, but it will help me a lot, and our channel also. So now, in this video, we'll see about git conflict. So without wasting much time, now let's focus on the git conflicts. So in general, while let's say you're performing any kind of merge in git, like a local branch merging, or like you are pulling the changes from the remote branches, in both of the cases there is a git merge performed on your git. So sometimes in git, like it will not be able to auto merge some of the files due to many of the regions. Now, like the root cause for the conflicts to occur is having different contents to merge on the same line. Although there are some classifications that we can see on the on the online resources, or let's say forums, and that they have described on the online resources. So let's start seeing them. So the first one is content conflict. So the one that we have discussed, that different contents to merge on the same line. Then the second one is file structure conflict. So let's say current branch deleted some of the files, and that same file is modified in some another branch, and you are trying to merge both of that branches. So in that case, there will be a file structure conflict. So the third one is file rename or moved conflict. So as the name suggests, let's say current branch has moved or renamed some of the files. That same file is modified in some other file, or let's say some other branch, and you are trying to merge both of those branches, then it will be fall under like file rename or moved conflicts. And the fourth one, let's say the other two types that we'll discuss in upcoming what you can say videos. So that type of conflicts are like cherry picking conflicts and rebase conflicts. So they are just, I'm sharing you for the information purpose. We'll discuss that in upcoming videos because they are more of a like information content that they are famous, or you can say it requires some more knowledge. So let's carry forward with this knowledge, and let's keep aside for that is like discussion for the next time. So now that we have understood the theory part of the conflicts, let's try to see how it actually looks and how to resolve that. So the first thing is to note is that there is no other way except like manually conflict resolution. If there is a conflict, we have to look for them before proceeding with the merge. Let's do something. Let's enter some content on file test.txt. Remember, we are adding content to line number 4 and we are on the main branch. So now note that we are on the test branch and we are adding again, like let's say content on the line number 4 on the same test.txt file. But the content is obviously different because basically we are trying to produce content conflict, and for that we just have to merge either test branch with the main or vice versa. So let's merge main branch with the test branch, and because we don't have to switch again obviously into the main branch. So as we can see that merging is paused and we are in between the merging state. So now we are not on the test branch, not either on the main branch. We are in between somewhere, and we can enter the git status command to see which files are under conflicts. And as expected, you can see test.txt file marked with red, which indicates that this file is under conflict. Now we have no other option except manually opening the file and resolving the conflict. So let's open that file. As you can see, Git has marked this file with where it has encountered an error. You can see long sequence of less than, which indicates head pointer is currently here and Git was unable to merge this line. Now you can also see long sequence of is equal to, like, which indicates the boundary between conflicting changes, and the last one is like greater than, long sequence of greater than, which indicates the changes incoming from the branch being merged. In this case it is main branch. So now there are several things that we can do. So frankly speaking, or the ways that the things that we can do is accept incoming changes, accept current changes, accept both the changes, or the last one, which is reject both the changes. So now let's say we want to accept both the changes, then we have to manually remove these things, the long sequence of greater than, less than, and is equal to, that was like added by the git. And yeah, after that we are good to go with the merge. But before that we actually need to make commit to record the changes that we have made, because once we made the commit, then only then the git will complete the merge and will put into it and like into the actual branch again. So this is how we do the conflict resolution from the git, or you can say from the git bash. So that's it for today's video, guys. We have seen conflicts and how to resolve them. Hopefully you have got the idea about conflicts, and now when you see the conflicts, you just don't fear, just go and resolve them. So with that, this is Sahil Mishri logging out, and we'll meet in the next video. Till then, keep learning and keep exploring.